got everything all packed up in the car from the hotel. It's kind of a cloudy day today, so we're not sure what kind of air show we're gonna get, but we're gonna head out there now and we'll see. Looking forward to the Abbotsford International Air Show. All right, I am so excited to be here at the Abbotsford International Air Show. I've never come before. I've wanted to for years and years now. So today I'm super excited. I hope that we get to see some fun stuff and the clouds clear up. So let's go see what everyone else thinks and if they're excited too.
Hi everyone, this is Val and I'm super excited for the air show.
Hey there, I'm at Abbotsford Air Show. First time I've ever been here. I'm super excited. It's a big turnout. Can't wait to see what happens.
Kai, are you excited? Oh yes, it's Kai.
Okay, perfect. We're gonna get all of our stuff out of the car now. We're gonna set up in our special spot over here, and then hopefully the clouds will clear and we'll get an air show. All right, we got everything set up. We've got our car set up. We've got cozy little area in the back. We've got our food. We got our chairs, and we're all set for the show to start.
I think it's gonna start in a few minutes, like 5, since I can hear the engines.
Well, unfortunately the rain came and now we're all cozy inside the car here. The kids are in the back all stretched out with their pillows and blankets, and now we're having some lunch, and hopefully the rain will go away and we'll be able to get back out and watch the show, but we're not too hopeful, but fingers crossed.
Well, it looks like the rain is grounding us.
Unfortunately, it looks like we're still grounded. It's still rainy, still cloudy. They can't do much flying. We've had a couple of airplanes, but that's been about it. So we're gonna go for a little walk, see if things clear up. And if not, I guess we'll try again next year. Keep you posted. Had an amazing interesting time at the air show. It was kind of unpredictable, but we managed to see a fair amount of airplanes. Not as many as there were supposed to be, but we had a good time. And now we're gonna head home, get some dinner, and get some rest because we're pretty tired from a very fun-filled weekend.